Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Polymarket account. If you want to set up a Polymarket account, the first thing I recommend doing is connecting to a secure and reliable VPN like NordVPN, especially if Polymarket is limited or restricted in your region. NordVPN keeps your connection private and lets you access the site smoothly from anywhere, and you can use the link in the description to try it at a great price before getting started. Once you're connected, open your browser and go to the Polymarket website. When the page loads, click on Sign Up or Log In. You'll see options to continue with your email, Google account, or a crypto wallet. If you choose email or Google, Polymarket will automatically create a secure wallet for you in the background, so you don't need to install anything extra to get started. Just sign in, verify your email if needed, and you'll be logged into your new Polymarket account. After you're logged in, you can set up your profile by choosing a username and adjusting your settings so other users can recognize you. From there, you can click on your profile and go into the settings area. You'll also see a few other settings in this section that are useful to know about. The Profile tab lets you change things like your display name and basic account details. The Account section is where you manage login, security, and anything related to how you access Polymarket. Trading settings let you control how orders behave and how markets are displayed for you. Notifications allows you to choose which alerts you receive for trades, market updates, and account activity. Builder codes are for users who want to integrate Polymarket data into apps or tools. And Export Private Key is where you can take full control of the wallet that was created for you if you signed up with email or Google. To start trading, you'll need to add funds to your account. Polymarket uses USDC on the Polygon network, so click on the deposit option and follow the steps to add USDC using a card, bank, or by transferring it from another wallet or exchange. Once the deposit is complete, your balance will appear in your Polymarket account. Now you can browse through all the available markets, pick events you're interested in, and place predictions by buying yes or no shares. Whenever you make a trade, it will be processed instantly through your account and reflected in your balance. That's all it takes to set up a Polymarket account. And for the safest and smoothest access from anywhere, make sure you're using NordVPN. You can try it today at a great price using the link in the description.